Do you know what kind of payments you can afford but are unsure of if your desired vehicle falls into your budget? Luckily for you, the Healey Brothers website has a payment calculator. Here's how to use it. You start off by shopping the vehicles online. When you find a car you like, click on it. On the right-hand side of the screen, there is a section called Customize Your Payment. Click on that to pull up the calculator. There are three options: lease, finance, and cash purchase. Let's start with lease payments. There is the price of the vehicle, but then you can enter in values for down payment, trade-in value, and amount owed on your trade, if anything. It is possible that your trade-in value could be less than what you owe on it, so keep that in mind. Next, you would select the lease term in months, as well as your annual mileage, and then select any conditional offers that may apply. Now let's look at finance. Again, you have your price, down payment, trade-in value, and amount owed on trade. Select your term in months, and a finance rate will generate depending on the term. And again, you select any conditional offers that may apply. Last but not least, we have the purchase option. Here you have the price, the trade-in value, and the amount owed on your trade and any conditional offers you may apply for. Once you are happy with the number, you can schedule a test drive, print your results, or have the offer emailed to yourself. If you are interested in the vehicle, you can also select, is this vehicle available? I'm interested in this offer. Call me ASAP, or request specific purchase price. Just fill in your email and click find out. It's that simple. Good luck with your vehicle purchase and happy motoring!